How pistol, but it's just a saying from the forest, that is. Welcome to episode 2. We got a confession. I didn't get much footage. I only recorded 3 videos, I think, of the day. Yeah, we met one of our friends, Charlie. He actually came back to the camp and had a chilled out with us. And we ended up going back down to the village, meeting up with Joe and his missus. Hopefully I can speak to Joe and get some footage, because he actually does vlogging himself. And we went out down to the tent and actually partied, had a good drink and a good laugh there, so he's got footage there. Yeah, we ended up going for a stroll. As again, I haven't got control of the people and what's being said and what's being drank and done. And enjoy.
Noises. Right, people. It's Thursday night. Just having a little wander. Oh look, there's Charlie. There's his friend what does stuff. And then this is his friend. There's Charlie again. Yeah, so we're just wandering. Bits and bobs. So you're going to see some shit, random stuff. Yeah.
It's not that way, isn't it?
I don't know. Wait, I said we're following you.
Hey?
We're following you.
Down there, isn't it? Sorry, back up that end. Oh, shit, is it? Yeah, it's around that end. Oh, we're on the other side of the den. The right side.
No, the den's there.
Oh, right. Oh, no, okay, now I see, yeah. Sorry, I got mixed about.
You got me confused then. So, yeah, we've been kidnapped.
I love the fact you're following me.
Yeah, we got kidnapped, so... Oh, that's a good part. Hi! Yeah, so, haha, fun. We don't know where we're going.
Fat Franks, that's where we're going.
So, that's where we're going.
You know what? If I
So, enjoy the darkness.
Excuse me, what?
The darkness. And we're walking. We are checking the den, or? No, we just walked past it. Yeah, that's the den, dude. That's the den there. Oh, no, yeah. And then that's the fucking doghouse. Not dog tooth, doghouse.
be egging on.
I won't fucking do it yourself, mate. You'll never get me egging you on doing that.
You know that everyone that Lanter's got, the one that has the fucking seats spin around and you can flip around.
Oh, yeah, the cage?
No, not that. The fin, the long fin that's really high in the air. 4 seats on each side of the arms.
Oh, yeah.
Spins around and the chairs spin around.
Yeah.
Not that.
Oh, fuck that. Oh, the octopus?
No, it's the 2 arm fin.
Yeah, it's 2 arms and it's got 4 seats, 3 seats.
4 seats, yeah, two opposite the other 2 back to back.
Yeah. They used to be. They used to call them the octopus.
Oh yeah, it's called something different. They got one down Green Sands. That's where I first went on one. It's a big red one.
Yeah, big red. Yeah. No, it's like 10 to midnight and the shops are still open. The only place where you can go to a shop and it's still open at 10 to midnight.
Spain.
Eh?
Go on the streets of Spain at this time of night. This is actually like the streets of Spain at night. Minus the pubs.
Yeah, because they do it better because it's colder.
Yeah. All they do is piss and moan. And inside the Rolling Stone, I can't fucking remember.
He fucked it up. It's alright, you only recorded the floor for 2 minutes. I won't look forward now.
Follow me and everything is alright. I'll be the one to tell you it at night. If you wanna leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. Sorry, I was tapping your ankle.
Yeah, I wonder what the fuck touched my leg then. Freaking the fuck out. Thought I was getting touched up by a midget.
You'd be lucky.
I fucking will be. Not. Right, so I'm just gonna walk the usual bit. I'll actually show you how muddy it is getting. If you can see it. It's not so muddy now, but it's still muddy. Mud. Squeal, squeal, squeal. Squeal, squeal, squeal. Squeal, 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 squeal. Squeal, squeal, squeal. Upside down shoe shop. Upside down shoe shop taken over. Squelch, squelch, squelch. I said upside down shoe shop bit quick while I can. So I got close up for Bennett's shoes going squelch, 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 on the lead. And quickly turned it upside down before somebody else was doing. I was upskirting. I'm not. getting muddy now. Getting muddy. Got the mud all the way up there. Good mud. Good mud. I'm gonna back off a little bit. I think we'll cut off from here. Show you the village. Camp. Wow, yeah. I'm glad I got that.
5, 4. Oh.
Morning brew so hot, it sizzles. Car ride sudden tire drizzle. Brakes you screech hard, my coffee flies. Wet foot, now I want to cry. Foot, coffee on my foot. Want what burning through my shoes. Foot, spilling on my foot. No time left to lose. On roundabout, brakes screeching. Hot coffee spill got me reacting. Foot's on fire, can't be true. Spill my drink, what do I do? Foot, coffee